If you've lost access to your Binance account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Go to the official Binance website and click on the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Select recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the *Connell link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact Binance support. Reach out to Binance customer support through their help center. Provide all necessary information such as your account details and any identification they may require to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow instructions from support. Once you contact support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for additional verification or information to help you regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be on your way to recovering access to your Binance account. If you encounter any issues, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.